If you need to change your GoDaddy account password, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can update your password safely and get back into your account with confidence. This is a simple process, but I'll show you each step clearly so you don't miss anything. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy website. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your current login details. After you're signed in, look toward the top of the page and click the profile icon. This icon is usually where GoDaddy keeps your account options, so that's the place you want to start. From the menu that appears, go to Account Settings. This is where you can manage your personal account information, security options, and login settings. Once you're inside Account Settings, look at the menu on the left side of the page. From there, click Security. This section is specifically for account protection settings, including your password. Now that you're in the security area, find and click Password. GoDaddy will open the password change screen where you can update your current password. At this point, enter your new password in the first field. Make sure it's strong and secure, using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Then enter the same new password again in the confirmation field to make sure everything matches exactly. Before you save the change, take a second to double-check that both passwords are typed correctly. A small typo can cause issues later, so it's always worth reviewing it once more. After that, confirm the change and save your new password. Once it's updated, GoDaddy will use the new password the next time you sign in. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password in your GoDaddy account. If you are following along, this should only take a minute or two, and now your account is more secure with a fresh login password. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.